Ah, start. Good morning, children. First class. Good morning, children. So, what is our first lesson in social studies? Our food. So, lesson number 1, our food. So, what are first? I'll tell the hard words, then question answers, then objective type you have to write. Okay, children. Okay, listen here. So, first hard words. How many words are there? Totally 10 hard words I have given from your textbook, which are very hard for you to spell, and that is you are in first standard now, children. You have to know clearly each and every word. You try to read 10 times whenever you are having free on that particular time. You have to go through the hard words. So first one क्या है अपन को? First one, what is the first hard word? First I have given the energy. What is the spelling? ENERGY, energy. Okay, second word, what is the second one? GROW, grow. Third one, HEALTHY, healthy. Fourth one, vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables. So fifth one, what is the fifth one? Breakfast. BREAK, break. FAST, fast, breakfast. चिल्ड्रन व्हाट इज एनर्जी? एनर्जी बोले तो क्या है? अपन कुछ खाए तो अपन के एनर्जी आता, दैट इज नोन एज अ एनर्जी. सेकेंड वन, ग्रो. हाउ वी विल ग्रो? यर फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू आर इन्फेंट, जब न्यू बॉर्न बेबी विल बी देयर, नो. सो 1 year 2 year 3 year जैसे जैसे ईयर्स बढ़ते रहते वैसा वैसा आप लोग ग्रो होते रहते. इजंट इट? दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रो और ग्रोथ. What is third one? Healthy. How you will get healthy, children? Children, generally you are in first standard now. You will be having, what is your age? I think so 6 years, 5 to 6 years. So how you will get the energy? Whenever your mama will be preparing the yummy foods like Maggi, noodles, chapati, dosha, idli, vada. These are all the different dishes we will be taking for the breakfast. यही prepare करते ना आपका मम्मी भी, isn't it, children? This all will be coming under the, whenever you will take the food, then only you will become healthy and stronger. So that is the meaning of healthy. What are the vegetables? Vegetables बोलते तरकारी like tomato, potato, brinjal, lady's finger. These are all will be coming under the category of the vegetables. How you will get energy? How you will grow? Whenever you will eat this all vegetables, fruits, then when you are going to get the energy, isn't it? So breakfast. Yeah, children, what is the breakfast? Early in the morning when you get up, you will be doing your brush. After that, your mama will be preparing the what breakfast? Just now I told, idli, vada, chapati, dosha, etc. etc. According to your wish, आपका मम्मी आपको prepare करके देते. So morning, early in the morning when you wake up, some children after brushing, some people will be having the milk. After milk again, what they will be having? They will be having the breakfast around 8 to 8:30 time, isn't it? So that is the breakfast. What are the chapati? You know the meaning of chapati, isn't it? Your mommy will prepare, isn't it? Chapati. What is a bread? You know, you are having idea about the bread, butter, jam, bread and butter. Mostly small kids, they are very interested for having the bread and butter. डिनर का बोले तो क्या है? जस्ट वो एक्सप्लेन. ब्रेकफास्ट बोलते सुबह सुबह जो खाते हैं ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? ब्रेकफास्ट बोलते. व्हाट इज द डिनर? आफ्टरनून वेन एवर वी आर हैविंग अवर लंच, लंच को क्या बोलते हैं? आफ्टरनून में अपन जो फूड खाते हैं ना उसको क्या बोलते? लंच बोलते. अभी इवनिंग स्नैक्स बोलते. इवनिंग टाइम में 5 to 6 o'clock सम पीपल विल बी हैविंग द टी. अलॉन्ग विथ टी दे विल बी हैविंग द स्नैक्स लाइक चिप्स, लाइक बिस्किट्स, isn't it? Like bread, according to their wish, चिप्स दे विल बी हैविंग द स्नैक्स. जो रात में अपन खाते हैं ना, सोने को जाते हैं ना, ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम वेन एवर वी आर हैविंग द फूड, दैट इज नोन एज अ डिनर. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू नो डिनर और मील्स, डिनर और सुपर सेम. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन, morning you will be having the breakfast, okay, afternoon you will be having the lunch, and evening you will be having the snacks, and at night before going to bed you will be having the dinner or supper. So this is the hard words regarding the lesson. What is a fresh? Fresh बोले तो generally whenever your parents, your mama will be preparing the food, that food is fresh. Whenever you are purchasing from the outside, sometimes the food may be fresh and sometimes the food may be not in fresh condition. So these are the main words regarding our lesson number 1, our food. Okay, children. In this, what are the questions are there? What is the first question? Answer the following question. Why do we eat food? उसका मतलब क्या है? अपन खाना कहीं को खा रहे? Why? Because we eat food to live. Why we are eating food, children? We eat food to live. Coming to the second question. What is the second question, ma? Name some food items we eat. What are the food items generally we will eat? So what we will eat? क्या क्या खा सकते हैं अपन? Rice, chapatis, bread, butter, vegetables and fruit. Just now I explained what are vegetables, what are fruits, isn't it? So name some food items we eat. What are the food items we are eating? Rice, chapatis, bread, butter, vegetables and fruits. Okay, coming to the third question, what type of food should we eat? So अपन कैसा तरह का खाना खाना? What type of food should we eat? We should eat clean and fresh food. What we have to eat? We have to eat clean and fresh food. Clean बोले तो कभी भी उसमें गंदा नहीं रहना. Means that is mean to say that it should be clean and fresh. Understood? Okay. How many times do we eat daily? They are asking question. Day में अपन कितना times खाते? How many times we will eat daily? We eat 3 times daily. I told no children. Once again I am repeating. Morning we will be having what? Breakfast. Afternoon what? Lunch. Night we will be having the dinner. So daily how many times we are eating, children? What is that? How many times do we eat daily? How many times? We eat 3 times daily. Coming to the fifth question. Amma fifth question इधर लेके देखो एक बार ऊपर. Fifth one is what is the main meal of the day called? The main meal of the day is called dinner. जो भी अपन रात को खाते हैं ना खाना, that is known as the dinner. So what is our question, children? Fifth one question. What is the main meal of the day called? The main meal of the day is called dinner. Children, this is about your hard words, question answers. Now I am going to tell the lesson. Isn't it? Now listen, children. Our food, page number 3. We eat food to live. We eat different kinds of food. Some food give us energy. Already I have explained the what is meaning of energy. Next one. Some food help us to grow. Here I have given the example how we will grow. That also I explained beginning of the lesson. Some food keep us healthy. With the help of some food we will be getting the healthy. So we have to eat all types of food. So what usually we are eating? We are eating rice, chapati, bread, butter, vegetables and fruits. Some people eat egg, fish and meat. So the people what they will be having? Generally they are like to eat egg, fish and meat. So we should eat clean and fresh food. Already in the question itself I have explained what type of food should we eat. Always we should eat clean and fresh food. So here we eat 3 times daily. How many times daily we will eat? कितना time खाते हैं अपन खाना? Daily अपन we eat 3 times a day. The food we take in the morning is called breakfast. Already explained no सुबह सुबह अपन जो खाते हैं ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is called the breakfast. The food we take in the morning is called breakfast. We take lunch at noon. We take supper at night. Lunch में अपन खाना खाते ना जो भी खाना that is known as the lunch. We take supper at night. Dinner बोल के बोले ना it is known as dinner or supper. So here the main meal of day is called dinner. Already I have given. What is the main meal of the day called? The main meal of the day is called dinner. Here children see a picture. See a picture. So what is the picture here? So here you see your mama will be preparing the delicious food for you. Isn't it different types of food she is preparing? Here morning whenever you are having the food that is known as the breakfast. You see the 3 they are given here. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and night is dinner. So this is about your lesson children first class. आपको कुछ डाउट है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम पूछ लेना. अभी थोड़ा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स देने का है आप लोगों को. फर्स्ट क्या दिए? हार्ड वर्ड्स हो गए, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो गए. अभी लेसन भी समझा दिया आप लोगों को. I have given hard words, question answers and I have explained the lesson also. Now 2 bits are there children. Second bit is the fill in the blanks. And third bit is fill in the boxes to get meaningful words. Here children, I am erasing the which I am erasing the hard words so that I will be giving the fill in the blanks for you. नीट से लिखना children, don't be in hurry, isn't it? नीट से लिखने का है. So here fill in the blanks. What is our second bit? Fill in the blanks.
Probability. Definition of probability. Theory of probability has a origin and date back of.
Fill in the blanks. What is the first one? We take breakfast. We take breakfast in the morning. या चलिए just मैं answers लिख रहे हैं. आप लोग questions copy करके answers लिखने का है. First class. We take dash in the afternoon. Afternoon में क्या करते हैं children? In the afternoon we will have the lunch. What will we have in the afternoon? Lunch. Then we take dash at night. At night what will we take? Dinner. रात में क्या करते हैं children अपन? What you will have at night? Dinner. So what is the fourth one? We get energy from food. Food से अपन को क्या आते? Energy आते. Next, what is the fifth one? The main meal of the day is called what? Dinner. The main meal of the day is called what? Dinner. Okay, this is the fill in the blanks. Next, another more last bit is there, children. Here I am erasing the miscellaneous also. Okay, what is our last bit, children? Last bit is fill in the boxes to get meaningful words. So what is the boxes to get meaningful words. What is the first one? Some food give us energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. M dash R dash energy. Energy. We should eat clean and fresh food. C-L-E-A-N.
Number of favorable outcomes.
And fresh. F-R-E-S-H. We should eat clean and fresh food. What is the third one? We take our soup Okay, next meat and fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay, what is the fifth one? Fifth one we take dash at afternoon. Afternoon में अपन क्या करते हैं? Lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Okay, this is our first lesson, children. If you are having any doubts, you can ask in next class. ओके अभी आप लोग क्वेश्चंस किस में से कॉपी करना टेक्स्ट बुक में से क्वेश्चंस कॉपी करना एंड यू हैव टू राइट टुडे डेट व्हाट इज टुडे डेट 5th ओके चिल्ड्रन थैंक यू